One bedroom unit in the Seasons Residences BGC, 51.5 square meter. Upon entering, you will have at the right side a shoe cabinet. Actual turnover of the door is a digital lock set. Over here is the kitchen. So you will have a floor storage. Chopping board and the drainage board is already included. The kitchen cabinet is also a soft touch. Then you will have a engineered wood flooring for your dining and living area. Floor to ceiling is 3.1. You will have also a tall window. Then over here is the kitchen, the toilet and bath. You will have a provision for your washer, a Inox water closet. Then this is the shower area. As you can see, this will be the sunken slab, no? Sunken slab is a technology in Japan that the leakage will not go through to the unit below, so that when you repair it, it is already easy access. Then this is the room. You will have a built-in closet. So yeah, very spacious. For more details about the Seasons Residences one bedroom unit, just let me know. We still have few in our ready for occupancy tower, the Haru in Natsu, and few in the pre-selling towers, Aki and Fuyu. We also have 2 and 3 bedroom units available. So yeah, inquire now in the Seasons Residences in Bonifacio Global City by Federal Land.